Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about KTM 390 Adventure X 2025. The KTM 390 Adventure X 2025 stands as a testament to KTM's legacy of performance, innovation, and adventure-ready engineering. With a striking design and a commanding presence, this machine embodies the spirit of exploration, offering riders a perfect balance of power, agility, and durability. The aerodynamic bodywork is sculpted for both functionality and aesthetics, ensuring the motorcycle not only looks aggressive but also enhances rider comfort and performance on long rides. Finished in KTM's signature color scheme, the sharp graphics and bold stance make it instantly recognizable, whether on the highway or a rugged off-road trail. Step into a world where adventure meets luxury as the KTM 390 Adventure X takes center stage in a high-end showroom, surrounded by an ambiance of sophistication and exclusivity. The gleaming showroom lights highlight every contour of the bike, reflecting off the high-quality paint finish and the meticulously crafted components. The name KTM 390 Adventure X is elegantly displayed on the showroom wall, reinforcing the identity of a motorcycle built for the fearless. Every element, from the polished flooring to the modern, upscale decor, adds to the premium feel, making it clear that this is not just a machine but an experience waiting to be unleashed. Underneath its rugged exterior, the heart of the 390 Adventure X is its 373cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, delivering a thrilling combination of power and efficiency. With a smooth throttle response and an advanced fuel injection system, the engine provides an exhilarating ride, whether you're cruising on open highways or navigating challenging terrains. The 6-speed gearbox, paired with a slipper clutch, ensures seamless gear shifts, reducing rider fatigue and enhancing control in varying riding conditions. The precision-tuned exhaust note adds to the overall thrill, creating an unmistakable sound that defines adventure. The chassis of the KTM 390 Adventure X is designed for versatility and durability. The lightweight yet sturdy trellis frame ensures stability, while the long travel suspension system, featuring WP Apex forks at the front and a mono shock at the rear, absorbs shocks effortlessly. This setup allows riders to tackle rough roads, potholes, and off-road trails with confidence. The high ground clearance and ergonomically designed seat offer both comfort and practicality, ensuring an enjoyable ride even on extended journeys. Whether weaving through city traffic or embarking on a cross-country expedition, this motorcycle adapts to the rider's needs. Advanced technology plays a crucial role in enhancing the riding experience. The fully digital LCD instrument cluster provides real-time data, including speed, RPM, fuel levels, gear position, and trip information. The intuitive interface ensures riders stay informed without distractions. The LED lighting system, including the powerful headlamp, taillight, and turn indicators, offers superior visibility in all conditions, enhancing safety and aesthetics. Ride-by-wire technology in multiple riding modes further refine the bike's responsiveness, making it adaptable to various terrains and riding styles. Braking performance is another highlight of the 390 Adventure X, featuring a high-performance disc braking system with dual-channel ABS. The system ensures precise and controlled braking, even on slippery or uneven surfaces. Off-road ABS allows riders to maintain control during aggressive braking maneuvers on dirt trails, enhancing confidence when exploring unpaved paths. The tubeless, all-terrain tires provide excellent grip, ensuring stability and traction across diverse road conditions. Whether tackling tight corners or descending steep slopes, the braking and grip instill a sense of control that every adventure rider demands. Comfort is paramount, and KTM has ensured that the 390 Adventure X caters to long-distance riders. The upright riding posture, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat create an ergonomic setup designed to minimize fatigue on extended rides. The windscreen offers adequate wind protection, reducing drag and enhancing rider comfort at high speeds. The footpeg positioning allows for both aggressive riding and relaxed cruising, adapting to the rider's preference. Luggage mounting points are strategically placed, making it easy to attach panniers and top cases for extended travel needs. Fuel efficiency is another area where the KTM 390 Adventure X excels. The optimized engine tuning, combined with a large fuel tank, ensures a respectable range, allowing riders to explore remote destinations without constant refueling stops. The efficient cooling system prevents overheating, even during prolonged rides in hot climates. Whether riding through bustling city streets or venturing into remote landscapes, the fuel economy and reliability of this machine make it an ideal companion for adventurers. The showroom itself adds to the exclusivity of the experience. The KTM 390 Adventure X stands on a raised platform, accentuated by premium lighting that casts a spotlight on its robust design. The reflective flooring creates a mirror effect, amplifying the visual appeal. Large LED screens display breathtaking footage of the bike conquering various terrains, reinforcing its adventure-ready persona. KTM branding, strategically placed across the showroom, adds to the brand's identity, creating an immersive experience for enthusiasts and potential buyers alike. Beyond aesthetics, the showroom experience includes expert consultation, allowing visitors to explore the features of the KTM 390 Adventure X in detail. Knowledgeable staff members provide insights into the bike's capabilities, customization options, and service plans, ensuring every customer makes an informed decision. Test ride slots are available for those eager to experience the thrill firsthand. The seamless integration of technology, design, and customer service creates a buying experience as premium as the motorcycle itself. For riders seeking an entry into the world of adventure motorcycling, the KTM 390 Adventure X offers an unparalleled package. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a rider looking to transition into the adventure segment, this motorcycle delivers performance, reliability, and excitement in equal measure. The combination of power, agility, and advanced technology ensures that every ride is an adventure waiting to unfold. Its capability to handle urban commutes and off-road escapades makes it one of the most versatile motorcycles in its class. The KTM brand has always been synonymous with high-performance motorcycles, and the 390 Adventure X continues this tradition with cutting-edge engineering and relentless innovation. Inspired by KTM's rally racing pedigree, this bike inherits DNA from championship-winning machines, ensuring that it stands up to the toughest riding conditions. The attention to detail in both design and functionality showcases KTM's commitment to creating motorcycles that inspire confidence and push the limits of adventure. Owning the KTM 390 Adventure X is more than just having a motorcycle, it's about embracing a lifestyle of exploration and freedom. Whether navigating through dense forests, climbing steep mountain trails, or cruising along scenic highways, this bike turns every journey into a memorable experience. The thrill of twisting the throttle, feeling the surge of power, and conquering new terrains is what makes adventure riding so exhilarating. As it stands proudly in the showroom, the KTM 390 Adventure X awaits its next rider, someone ready to embrace the open road and go beyond the ordinary. The showroom's luxurious atmosphere, combined with the presence of this formidable machine, creates an aura of excitement and anticipation. Adventure is calling, and the KTM 390 Adventure X is ready to take on the challenge. The only question that remains is, are you? Please like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss any updates.